Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to disable auto download of media in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to disable auto download of media in your WhatsApp, so the first thing to do is simply go and tap open your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, you need to simply tap on the three dots on the right hand side of the corner. Now go to settings and simply scroll down to storage and data. Once you tap on storage and data, all you gotta do now is simply scroll down and simply see media auto download. Now here, you need to simply tap on when using mobile data, you need to simply untick every box so that nothing will be downloaded. Similarly, when you tap on when connected on Wi-Fi, you need to untick every box to simply stop your auto download or disable your auto download on WhatsApp. So by following this method, you can simply disable your auto download of media in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.